Hey everybody, it's Tina here. I hope you're having an awesome day. Hey, I'm going to show you this probably an educational or tips and tricks on Google Chrome 2019. I am going to show you a few tips and tricks on how to use Google Chrome to save you time when you're using Google Chrome. So you ready to get started? Okay, let's get started. Okay. I'm going to show you how you can set any URL that you surf frequently every day when you turn on your computer. So mine is set to go to Google Chrome. But let's say you're an online marketer and first thing you look at when you turn on your computer is Facebook. Well, I'm going to show you how you can set that so when you do turn on your computer, it will go right to Facebook. Or if you go to PayPal or your payment processor or your website or your tracking company or whatever, because you're tracking your website, you want to see how many visitors you got. Well, this is a simple way to do this. You go over here, click on these three little buttons there, go to settings, scroll down to startup, open a specific page or set of pages. Okay, you can put a few in here if you like. All right, you can add a new page right here. Like mine goes to automatically Google Chrome.com, goes to Google. So mine is set already. But all you have to do is just click on the add a new page and put the URL there, push add, and boom, it will come up the next time you start your computer. That's how easy and simple that is. So the next step is, you know how you close a tab and you're like, oh man, I was just on Twitter and I forgot to finish my tweet, or I forgot to click on the like or whatever. Okay? So all you have to do is go to Ctrl Shift T. Ctrl Shift T. Ctrl Shift T. You do that all day long. Ctrl Shift T. And see, it went back to my Twitter. And let's say you forgot a website URL, but you were on it earlier. You keep doing that and eventually you'll get to it. And it's Ctrl Shift T. Ctrl Shift T. And see, it works every time. So there you have that one. Alright? And now I am going to show you how, let's say you're setting up a website and you got to go back and forth to your tabs. Alright? Instead of clicking on this, all you have to do is push Ctrl 3 and it will open that page. Ctrl 2 opens that page. Ctrl 4 opens that tab. Ctrl 5 opens that tab. Only up to 9 tabs open. So let's say you're doing a video or you're copying something for a project. I mean, it's great for school, for kids, in college that are surfing the web and they're researching. So remember, it's Control 2, Control 3, whatever tab you have open and you want to go to, just push Control and the number that tab fits to. So that's it. I hope you all liked my video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and turn on the bell notifications so you can be notified the next time I make a video. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day.